Hi, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see the importance of National Doctors Day. So without further ado, let's get started. National Doctors Day is the day celebrated to recognize the contribution of physicians to individual lives and communities. National Doctors Day is celebrated on different dates in different countries. In USA it is celebrated on 30th March. In India it is celebrated on July 1st. In India, National Doctors Day is celebrated on July 1st to honor the physician and the second Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy.
Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy was born in Patna, Bengal Residency on July 1, 1882 and died on the same date in 1962 at the age of 80. Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy served as a physician, a freedom fighter, and educationist, and as a politician. Dr. Roy first did graduation in mathematics, following he studied medicine at the Calcutta University. Aiming higher, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy went to St. Bartholomew's Hospital in London. The British Medical Journal called Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy the first medical consultant in the subcontinent of India. Returning from London, Dr. Roy joined the independence movement and also went on teaching medicine for younger generation. Dr. Roy was known to be one of Mahatma Gandhi's personal physician and a good friend. The tall doctor was also known to be the medical counselor of former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. India honored Dr. Roy with a Bharat Ratna in 1961. Dr. Roy donated his home to be converted into a nursing home named after his mother, Agnihotri Devi, who was also a dedicated social worker. Ever in history, the first Doctor's Day was observed on March 28, 1933 in Winder, Georgia. The first Doctor's Day was celebrated in India in the year 1991, July 1st, to be the death and birth anniversary of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. The red carnation is commonly used as the symbolic flower for National Doctors Day. National Doctors Day is celebrated for years by government and non-government health organizations. By conducting free medical camps. We celebrate this day to show gratitude to all workers in the field of medicine who serve us unconditionally. It's that time of the year to celebrate the real heroes out there who are fighting the long war against the coronavirus for our safety at the cost of their own.
That's all for today. Hope this video was informative. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.